The purpose of this video tutorial is to show you how you can take a handwritten calculation and insert that into a Google document, whether it be for a quiz or a report. You could always use the equation editor option within Google Documents, but for longer calculations or when time is an issue, you might just want to opt for this method. To do this, I'm going to use my phone to scan the image in, and the application that I'm going to use in particular, and there are other applications out there, I'm going to use the Camscanner application. The native notes application in Apple iOS is great for taking whole images of documents and turning them into PDFs, but when it comes to cropping certain segments, say a small calculation, I found that Camscanner is better up for the challenge. To do this though, and in Camscanner, you'll find that as a free application, there's going to be a lot of adware. So you may have to close out some of those ads, and also keep in mind that the final image is going to have a CamScan watermark at the bottom. We'll talk about that in a moment. So I'm going to hit the camera icon and go up to my document and take the image. I will then crop it accordingly, but because I know that CamScan is going to leave a watermark, and most free applications will, I'm actually going to leave a little bit of room at the bottom for them to insert their watermark. I'll then finalize, and then I will choose to share as a JPG. That's important because it will be an image that you can insert to your Google Drive. I will open my Google Drive application. I'll select the correct account. I'll name this Calculation 1. I'll then select the folder for its destination, and then I will upload. Returning to the Google document, I can now scroll to the portion of the document where I am expected to insert my calculation. From the top menu bar, I will select Insert, Image, from Drive, and it should be my most recent one. Selecting this image and inserting, you can see that leaving room down here at the bottom for that watermark was necessary. And I can actually right-click and crop this image and take that watermark right out. I can then resize the image to have it fit in the space. And if I choose the wrap text option, I can actually move this image to where I'd like it to be. For the final product, you see something that actually looks as though it was written in the Google document, and the process has taken maybe 2 minutes tops. Once you get used to it, it's a very efficient method for inputting calculations in a handwritten way.